has mastered the vertical lists, she or he can move on to the horizontal lists, starting at the beginning, unless it is obviously too easy. It is very important that, as the child works through the words in each list, a parent/carer or teacher monitors every word, and immediately asks the child to have another try if a word is read incorrectly. Reading the lists is of no value if words are read incorrectly. An easy way to do this is to point above each word with a pen, and simply stop if a word is read incorrectly. There is usually no need to say anything once the child knows that the stopped pen means try again. Teaching Kids to Read by Faye Tran. Teaching Kids to Read. ISBN 9780980607055. Onset and rhyme words. Vertical format at cat flatten van plan rat slat fan clan mat spat man scan sat brat ran span pat chat tan brand bat kin fat pan vat van ap cap clap am dam clam gap flap ham slam lap slap jam cram map snap ram tram nap trap sam gram rap scrap scram sap shem tap of cab blab ag bag flag jab slab gag brag lab flab hag crag nab drab nag drag tab grab rag snag crab sag stag stab tag swag wag ad bad clad axe lax flax fad glad tax had brad wax med pad said dad et bet fret and den then jet hen when let pen met ten net men set ben wet yet. Teaching Kids to Read by Faye Tran. Teaching Kids to Read. ISBN 9780980607055. Ed bed bled eg beg fed fled keg led sled leg red bread peg wed shed em hem stam it bit flit them fit slit hit spit kit grit lit skit nit quit pit sit wit in ben skin ip dip clipped in spin hip flip fin grin lip slip kin twin nip skip pin chin rip snip sin shin sip drip tin thin tip grip win zip trip I'm dim slim id bid slid him skim did skid rim grim hid vim grim kid prim lid trim swim iv bib glib ig big brig fib crib dig twig jib fig swig nib jig sprig rib pigwig 9 fix ox box mix fox 6. Teaching Kids to Read by Faye Tran. Teaching Kids to Read. ISBN 9780980607055. Ot cot clot op clop dot blot cop flop got slot hop slop hot trot lock crop lot shot mop drop not pop prop pot sop stop rot top chop tot shop od cod clod ob cob blob god plod fob slob nod prod gob snob pod shot job rod lob sod mob rob og bug clog ut but glut cog slog cut shut dog smog gut fog frog hut hog jut jug nut log rut unbun stun bum glum fun shun gum plum gun hum drum pun mum swum run rum scrum sun sum strum chum ud bud thud ub cub club dud dub drub cut hub grub mud pub stub sub snub tub scrub nub shrub ug bug glug ack back black hug plug hack flack jug slug lack clack lug smug pack slack mug snug rack crack rug drug sack track tug shrug tack snack quack stack shack. Teaching Kids to Read by Faye Tran. Teaching Kids to Read. ISBN